Django, Makemigrations, no changes detected. I was trying to create migrations within an existing app using the Makemigrations command, but it outputs, no changes detected. Usually I create new apps using the start app command, but did not use it for this app when I created it. After debugging, I found that it is not creating migration because the migrations package/folder is missing from an app. Would it be better if it creates the folder if it is not there, or am I missing something?
To create initial migrations for an app, run Makemigrations and specify the app name. The migrations folder will be created. Your app must be included in installed_apps first, inside settings.py.
I've read many answers to this question, often stating to simply run Makemigrations in some other ways. But to me, the problem was in the meta subclass of models. I have an app config that says label equals, in the apps.py file, beside models.py, views.py etc. If by any chance your meta class doesn't have the same label as the app label, for instance because you are splitting one too big app into multiple ones, no changes are detected, and no helpful error message whatsoever. So in my model class I have now running Django 1.10 here.
My problem, and solution, was yet different from those described above. I wasn't using models.py file, but created a models directory and created the my_model.py file there, where I put my model. Django couldn't find my model, so it wrote that there are no migrations to apply. My solution was, in the my_apps/models/init_.py file I added this line. From .my_model import mymodel.
There are multiple possible reasons for Django not detecting what to migrate during the Makemigrations command. Migration folder, you need a migrations package in your app. Installed_apps, you need your app to be specified in the installed_apps.dict. Verbosity, start by running Makemigrations v3 for verbosity. This might shed some light on the problem. Full path, in installed_apps it is recommended to specify the full module app config path. Apply.apps.my app config. Settings, you might want to make sure the correct settings file is set. Manage.py Makemigrations settings myside.settings. Specify app name, explicitly put the app name in manage.py Makemigrations myapp. That narrows down the migrations for the app alone and helps you isolate the problem. Model meta, check you have the right app and is callable in your model meta. Debug Django core script. Makemigrations command is pretty much straightforward. Here's how to do it in Picam. Change your script definition accordingly. X Makemigrations traceback myapp. Multiple databases. DB router, when working with Django DB router, the router class, your custom router class, needs to implement the allow_syncdb method. Makemigrations always creates migrations for model changes, but if allow_migrate, returns false.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.